Hello, my hiking friends. I'm here in the Oregon mountain range doing the Dripping Springs Falls Trail. Sadly, the ranger tells me there hasn't been any rain for a week and it's likely going to be a trickle, but I'm hopeful that maybe he's wrong. So we're going to forge ahead. Some thoughts today while out on trail. The mountains speak to me of God's faithfulness and strength and power. You can count on them just like you can count on God. And I was having some thoughts about making a difference in this world. I heard a quote that the late Billy Graham in an interview said that he believed God would work in different ways in our modern times. He believed that small, insignificant seeming acts by individuals would collectively have great power. And I'm thinking about that in my life and thinking about speaking God out into the world. And one of the things I can do this very easy is just as a greeting or in departing, I can say, God bless you. It might just lift somebody in a way that we don't expect. I was thinking about the Christian comedian Patsy, is her name Claremont? Maybe it's Patsy Claremont. I could be wrong with that though. She had a friend who was in treatment for cancer, and the friend was going for an important CAT scan or MRI, some kind of film, to see if the treatment was working. And Patsy asked God, please give me a scripture to pray over her. And God spoke through her heart by saying, let there be light. And she was really stunned and thought, that is not going to do any good at all. I don't understand that. God, could you give me a more powerful word? But she went ahead and prayed that. And after the woman had her test done, she found out that cancer shows up as a dark spot. And if it's light on the film, it's free of cancer. So God comes through again. Hiking in the desert is no joke, so bring your water and drink plenty of it. My view as I begin to hear the sound of water from the falls. Right there, in case you missed it. You're used to Yellowstone Falls. Hey you guys, this is going to be a teaser for my next video, and I'll tell you all about these buildings. Could this be a ghost town?